For more on the Czech Republic's coronavirus response, we're joined now by Anna Zadan, a journalist at the Prague Monitor. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Euronews. Daily infections are now 43% lower compared to this time last week. Is that a sign that things are improving?
I think we have to be very cautious when analyzing what exactly that means. And even the government cautioned us against being extremely optimistic about the results. Yes, now the reproduction rate in the Czech Republic is about 0.8. And the number of new positive cases is about 10% lower than what it was last week. But it's very hard to say yet if the situation is significantly improving. And I think the only thing we can say for sure right now is that people in the Czech Republic definitely cannot expect easing restrictions soon.
Talking about people in the Czech Republic, how have they responded to the government's handling of the pandemic?
Yeah, the response has been generally more negative than what it was during the first wave. So, for example, right now, mobile operators have told us that the general mobility of the public is about 30 to 50% higher than what it was in March. And we have seen a bunch of protests happening in the Czech Republic. For example, one of the restaurant workers and of the football fans, which turned pretty violent, and even water cannons were used against them. So now people generally are pretty tired with the restrictions. They don't feel like anything is working anymore. They don't feel like they're getting enough help. So it's generally much more negative than what it was.
Because we saw when the Czech Republic came out of its lockdown, there was a huge banquet which was held on the Charles Bridge. Do you think that people have since then grown a bit more complacent, a bit more mistrusting of the rules?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think it's also visible with the general response towards the government right now. So, for example, a few weeks ago, we had a big scandal when the Minister of Health was replaced. Roman Primula, he was basically fired, asked to leave because he violated his own rules. And generally, the way people view the government's actions right now and the restrictions is much more with a grain of salt, I would say. And that absolutely contributes to the overall negative, sickening, tired feeling concerning the restrictions right now.
Anna Zadan joining us from Prague. Thank you very much indeed.